Welcome, in front of me is a Redmi 13C, and today I will show you how we can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, let's open up our settings application, and in here we're going to navigate to About Phone, and then you want to scroll down and you'll find Factory Reset. When you click on it, it gives you a message letting you know that this process will remove data from your device, and this includes basically everything that is listed right here. Though that being said, it is very misleading in what it will remove. So just to quickly go over it, accounts. It signs them out of your device, removes them from the device, but the accounts themselves are cloud-based. So it won't just completely remove them from existence. You can re-log into them. Then, for instance, applications are just kind of like whatever. You can re-download them. Backups, that's completely misleading because backups are being, again, stored on the cloud. So you back up your device so you can restore it later on and regain the data. So like I said, very misleading. Now, the things that will matter here when it comes down to the backing them up will be things like photos, music, and just personal user data that is basically created by you or just kind of more unique to you. And obviously it would be harder to re-download or virtually impossible. So you probably want to back that up. Now, I don't have anything that I do want to back up, so I'm just going to select Erase All Data. And it does give us the option to back it up right here, though if you're planning to, for instance, reset this device because you're going to be selling it and maybe you get a new device, if said new device isn't Xiaomi, then you will not be able to restore this backup. This is strictly being done to Xiaomi Cloud. If whatever device you're going to be trying to back this up or restore this backup to isn't Xiaomi, you just don't have access to it. So it might be better off to create your own backup to your computer rather than doing the Xiaomi Cloud backup. Now from here I'm going to select Reset. Now this is Xiaomi, so we do have a 20-second timer where we basically don't get to do anything because we have 10 seconds here before we can select Next. As you can see, nothing happens, so now I can press, and again, as long as this timer keeps on hammering down that this process removes everything and cannot be undone, are you sure? So once it passes, we can confirm it by selecting OK. And it will now begin factory resetting. Now I will plug in my device to charge just because it is at 13% battery, so I wouldn't want it to die throughout the process. So this is just plugged into a charger and an outlet, so it's not really going to be doing anything like with a computer or anything like that. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.